Welcome back to my channel. Today I'll be showing you how to crochet a scarf. It took me about 2 hours to complete, and I'll be using a bulky wool yarn and a 5mm hook. To start off, we'll be doing a chain of 20. For round 1, on the 6th chain from your hook, we are going to work 2 double crochets. Chain 3, and then on that same stitch we're going to work another 2 double crochets. Now we're going to skip 5 chains and then work 2 double crochets. Then chain 3 and work 2 double crochets again on that same stitch. And you're going to keep repeating this until you have 4 chains left. Once you have 4 chains left, we're going to work a double crochet on that very last stitch. Round 2, we're going to chain 3 and turn your work over. We're going to keep repeating the same pattern. We're going to work our 2 double crochets, chain 3 and 2 double crochets again on the 3 chain space. And to finish our row, we're going to work a double crochet into that turning chain space. Then chain 3 and turn your work over. So we're going to keep repeating row 2 all the way across until you have your desired length. If you enjoyed the video, please subscribe. I'll see you in the next one. Bye.